I'm Kai Tolman. I'm the Country Medical Director for Amgen Australia and New Zealand. I have been nearly 19 years with Amgen now. Prior to working at Amgen, I was a nephrologist in the UK, a doctor that specializes in kidney disease. As a doctor, you treat individual patients. As an academic researcher, I think that your research can impact outcomes for more patients. At Amgen, we're proud of our state-of-the-art research and development opportunities. We have the ability to screen the genotypes, the genetic makeup of thousands, tens of thousands of individuals to look for very rare genetic variations. We can then link these genetic variations to certain diseases that these people might get earlier or later in life. And then we can try and demonstrate the causal relationship between a particular genetic mutation and the development of a disease, which includes cancer and which includes GI cancers. We know that GI cancer as a group has a pretty challenging long-term outcome for those who are afflicted by it. Often these diseases present late and can be very challenging to treat. In Amgen Australia, we're really proud that we can partner with the GI Cancer Institute and continue the great relationship we've had with AGITG and continue to work on this for the benefit of Australian patients. It's only through hearing what's important to patients about their disease, about their treatment options, what their goals are, what their long-term desires are, that we can really understand where our medicines and our future medicines fit in the treatment journey for individual patients. It allows us to optimize how we can support patients through their devastating diseases and their treatment journeys. And this starts early on with ensuring that patients have the opportunities to engage in clinical studies and then listening to them and listening to their experience through their disease. It's important to Amgen. It's important to GI Cancer Institute. It's important to the AGITG and the broader community in general. So this is really important. I think what's great about GI Cancer Institute's GETSI challenges is that there's a variety of options for differing levels of fitness. It can be a simple one-day walk in the Blue Mountains to a hike for 3 or 4 days in somewhere that you would never normally go to. And I think it's really great when people can identify a charity or a research group that has personal resonance for themselves. It allows them to go the extra mile. But also, if that's not your deal, then sponsor a friend, sponsor a colleague. An innovative solution can happen with the next dollar of research. It's not a $10,000 or $100,000 increment. All it takes is one idea, one germ of an idea, and it could be your fundraising that does that.